On 7th of November this year, 2025, Kenya Revenue Authority under the Commission of Micro and Small Taxpayers issued a public notice, and the heading of this public notice reads violation of income and expenses in the income tax return. What does this public notice talks about? It talks about validation of all income and expenses to make sure that each and every income and expenses for any business that is trading in Kenya goes under the 18s. And this public notice says that the Kenya Revenue Authority will be validating this from 1st of January next year, 2026, for each and every account or PIN for which I've traded for the year 2025. Is this a new thing? This is not a new thing. This was a proposal under the Finance Act 2023, which stated that all businesses must transact or make their payments or income through ATMs, and this was to start from 1st of January 2024. In fact, the Kenya Revenue Authority has given a leeway for the year 2024, and this comes to effect from this year, from 1st of January to the end of this year. Any business that is trading for this year, the income must have gone through the ATMs platform. When you talk about the ATMs platform, it means about those traders who are registered for VAT obligation and those who are not registered for VAT obligation. Each and every business transaction must issue an ATMs invoice. I know this notice has caught the business people into panic mode, and because if you have any expense that you've transacted from January to where we are at the year, and it is not supported by ATM's invoice, this one will be disallowed. It will be a disallowed expense. So when you do the annual return, KRA will validate this and disallow that expense, and this one will be a loss for the business. And what I can say is that under this Finance Bill 2023, there's also a proposal on the exemptions that are provided for those traders who are not supposed to issue ATM's invoice, and this is provided under Section 23A of the Tax Procedure Act, CPA. And I can only mention maybe two of these areas that we are not supposed to issue an ATM's invoice. The first one is about the emoluments, or these are salaries, wages, and benefits. Definitely, when you're doing the payroll, the employees are not supposed to give you the ATMs. And the other one I can mention at this juncture is maybe a term we call the reverse invoicing. And why are we here? It is because we want to help each and every taxpayer who is hearing this video to align the books before the year end. And for us as Jowa, Kirogo and Associates, we are conducting a tax health check or tax planning mechanism from now to 15th of December. So if you see this video, kindly contact us through the platform provided there, through our contacts and the website, and also the email, so that we can be able to align your books before the end of this year. Because on the end of that 1st of December of this year lapses, there's nothing much that you can do. And lastly, as I mentioned, there is quite a big expectation with people like us, the tax representative or the tax consultant. When you get these tax matters, especially with the SMEs, there's nothing much you can do. An example, if you've not filed your return, the only thing that we can do is to tell you to be compliant, but there is nothing much per se we can do. So it's good you take advantage of this period that we have, because if you come in January, we might not be able to assist so much in terms of aligning your areas that you are not. So kindly talk to us now so that you're able to align your books, so that you're not caught up with this public notice and it messes your books. Thank you very much.